Starting route to...
Hey, it's Miles from Eric and Miles, and today I'm just in St. Paul. I just got off of school about less than 2 hours ago, and now I'm just gonna go shoot some pictures and try to... Okay, so the premise of this is I have a photography assignment that I need to go talk to people, just random people that I don't know, and get their portraits. So that's why I'm in St. Paul. I'm just gonna walk Kellogg Street right there, walk this street along here, and I'm gonna see what people want to talk to me and actually interact with a 17-year-old kid that wants to take pictures of them. So wish me luck, because I don't feel like I'm gonna have any, but I'll try to be nice to people and I'll try to get good pictures, and maybe I'll do a building or something. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, wow, it's cold. Okay, that's fine. It's a Tuesday and I get to make content, so I should be happy. I'm gonna switch on my lens to the 50 because better for portraits. So usually I see some people at least sitting around on benches and stuff, just doing nothing, and no one's out because it's extremely cold and everyone's dying. A lot of the audio in the video kind of got cut out because of the cars and everything moving in the city, but I am going back now to kind of explain what was going on. So I got sidetracked and I decided to take the option of going and doing a roof like I was talking about before, and kind of put the talking to people portion of the video on hold for a little bit. Time to go because I'm getting cold and the sun's going down and I gotta get pictures of people for the photography assignment, and gotta put out content, so be right back. So after I got off the roof, it was already dark out and I wasn't really having much luck of finding anyone, so I found a crowd of people and I have photography assignment. I'm wondering if I could take your picture. So no. I was kind of giving you a photo. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you. The last woman that I talked to was really into it and let me take her portrait, so I'll put those up now. So I kind of set her up next to the street and was taking her lighting with the lights of the cars behind her and trying to find the best angle. It didn't really take much adjusting because where she was standing was at a bus stop. So really, she was just really nice and let me take her picture, and I told her thank you, and then she said that she hopes I do well on my assignment, and then I just kind of booked it out of there because I was really cold and needed to get back to the car.